Too.
So,
Philip, yes, you're not gonna like me very much. Look what we've got, you!
lovely. We're not going to worry about the hat just yet.
I think I've got enough of a fight on my hands. I don't know. It might fit.
She doesn't look very keen. Red's not her colour, obviously. Jasper! She's not purring.
Yeah, she is. Yeah, she is actually. Put your claws in, cat.
I would offer to help, but I've got to hold the camera. That's an evil laugh, isn't it? It's not.
I love your technique, Mark. It's the right answer. It's actually about 90% hit rate with this. It's serendipity. It's something, I don't know what you call it.
Yeah, he's just about big enough. But
Okay, Pat. Second question. Who is the heroine?
Are you going to dislocate her paws?
no,
Is it Violetta, Mimi, or Lucia? Who is the heroine of
she's still
Puccini's opera La
purring.
Bohème?
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Lucia is another opera entirely. One who loved Mimi. I think it's probably Mimi who's trying to convince myself. Violetta is La Traviata, so I think it's Mimi who's the central character.
It's a little bit on the tight side.
Mimi,
Only a little bit.
convince yourself that
It's like you saying you're a medium.
Sorry,
I don't think I got that. Not that she would want me to go.
He's got trousers.
She can't move her paws properly.
Oh, sorry, Jasper. Come here, we'll get you out.
Oh,
I'm sorry, cat.
she can't use
She's
her
still
arm.
purring.
She can't use her paws properly, which is why she falls over. Oh.
I can't believe she actually is still purring.
That's so horrible to her. I'm no better, but I'm not an animal lover, so.
And the money shot. Jasper, pussycat. Alright, come on, cat. I'm sorry.
She's not a happy
You are
bunny.
not amused, are you? I can't believe she's still purring. I might have to cut her out.
A very long time, so I think it's Cassidy.
Stephen, do you think it's the right answer? Yes, match for 4 puts you in the lead, and Val, if you know the 4, you've got to get this one. Or
Come on, Jasper, still purring.
But gonna run away.
No, look.
first before 1771, 1781, or 1791. In which year was Mozart's opera The Magic Flute first performed?